Hi, welcome to my virtual open house at 15 Mart Meade Road. That's Mart Meade Branch Road in Prestonsburg, Kentucky. It is on Little Abbott. And the house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath brick home. It does have a large, probably 2-car carport. There is a handicapped ramp that goes up to the kitchen entrance door if it's needed. The yard has just recently been seeded and hay to get the grass to grow, and it's come up really nicely. It's new landscaping and mulch. This house has been completely renovated and is ready to move in. You are up here on the hill. There is a driveway that comes up, so you're very private. And if you like the hills and recreation, you have plenty of room. There's 35 plus or minus acres, so you can hike, you can ride your ATVs, create some trails up there to do whatever you want. It's very private, so you can create your own little space. I'll show you the outside first, and then we'll go in and I'll show you the inside. I don't know exactly what the age of the house is right off the top of my head, but I will find that and include it in the description. You do have this little front porch with a new door with leaded glass. Isn't it pretty? I really like that. You have a sidewalk to the front door too, so your guests can come to the front door if they prefer. As you'll notice, all the windows are brand new. They're just installed. You do have a septic system here, and the leach field goes out this direction. There has been some new plumbing installed. And the property line goes to where you see that fence there, and goes up the mountain to the top, and across the ridge, and back down to the road, across the creek. Has a new heat pump. And the underneath the house has been lined with a vapor barrier here. There's the access there. Again, I'll point out the rock ledge here. So you enjoy the mountains. This is definitely a place to live and enjoy the nature and sit out and enjoy the fall leaves changing. They're just starting right now. The back of the house is vinyl. It has a concrete block foundation. A fireplace, wood burning fireplace. See there. Just wanted to point out there's some goldenrod blooming there. You'll see several wild flowers through the seasons. There's some pretty blooms when I was up here last time. They're gone. And again, here's the handicapped ramp. There is attic access there. I forgot to point that out. Okay, we're going to go in. This is a little entrance hallway, and to your left is your laundry room. To the right is a closet, utility closet that houses the water heater. And here's your kitchen. It is big enough to have a little table there if you want for eating. All the appliances are included, and they're stainless steel and brand new. Cabinets are brand new. The lighting is brand new. And so is the laminate flooring. Lots of cabinets and counter space. Here is the formal dining room. Again, windows are new. There is some chair rail here, which is nice. And it does have crown molding. Pretty picture window. Look outside. This is your formal or family room, living room. This is the living room. It's pretty good size. All of it's been freshly painted. It's the entry foyer again. There's that lid glass door. You have two entry closets. They have shelving in them, so you can use them different ways. I'll come back and show you this room again when we come back through because it goes into the kitchen. But it's a beautiful fireplace. It is wood burning. There's a couple of lights over the fireplace. The ceiling fans are all nice and new as well. Down the hallway. To the left is the guest bathroom. There is a mirror because here it is a closed tub enclosure. Some new heat pump, thermostat. There's also pull down stairs for the attic. To the right is the first bedroom. It's a closet. Everything's very neutral. The closet doors are new and the bedroom doors are new. And straight ahead is another bedroom. You got two windows in here. Closet. And you're coming down the hallway to the left is the master bedroom. It does have its own bathroom. The primary bedroom, I should say. This has a nice view of the side yard and the back hill, and you can hang in some bird feeders or any kind of wildlife that you like to enjoy. Encourage them. There's your closet there. And this is the primary bathroom. It has a shower enclosure. Nice pretty sink and countertop, sink basin countertop. This room has, this master bathroom has some nice color. The rest of the house is very neutral. So that's pretty